Boy, you know you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, feel like I'm on dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, need the tightest rope. Before we drift any deeper, baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now. I want you to.
Shawty's in love with this stroke. That Aquafina got me fiending, I'm ready for more. Plus my little baby so 100, she know that she dope. Money in a million, keep it steady when rocking the boat. I make the fish give me a kiss when I go down below. Sorta like Dory swimming around like I'm Fanning Nemo. She got that Fiji pussy water, then water I stroke. Shorty turn around and bust it down and go nuts on the floor. Anything my booty but won't, yeah she gon' get it. I make that super circle squirt when I'm hopping up in it. If eating pussy was a cranny, you know I'ma kill it. Just turn around, face down, ass to the ceiling. She the upper left her man, she was under pressure. I hit her with that Louisville slugger, home run, got her wet up. She the upper left her man, she was under pressure. I hit her with that Louisville slugger, I'ma fuck your bed up. I'ma get you wet up.
I wanna ride with you, girl. How you feeling it the way a nigga rockin' that bow, 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 bow? If I get trapped in your world, then I'ma dive in that water, I won't need any flow. To just flow and coast, wake and taste delicious. Juices dripping off my chin, raindrops pouring on my face. Don't say a word, just let me in. I'm soaking, lost out in your ocean's motion. Wet as water, overflowing tidal waves. I'm rising, girl, let's take it where you want it.
Then I'm gon' clown in that pussy. No KY, go down on that pussy. Ooey gooey, cause she switch downs in that pussy. Lay her down real smoothly, bend over. The booty got it soaking, squirting fluids in the movies. Drinking smoothies, yeah, we keep the movement moving. Smoking Cubas in the Aruba. Real boss shit, had to take her to my jeweler. From the pool to the jacuzzi, 4 hours in that coochie. Take a shower when that pussy damn scabs in the goodie. She disposing all you rooks, she just had to introduce me to her parents and McLaren's. It's a mutual experience on the yacht, eating sushi with a cutie and the groupies. Gotta keep the boat moving, see the ship like the movie. Titanic, gigantic, dynamics, got a scoop. Titanic, gigantic, dynamics, got a scoop. Yeah,
Stroke it, baby, stroke it, baby.